In this video, you'll learn how to edit the language settings on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to personalize your browsing experience to better suit your preferences. Start by logging into your eBay account using either the website or the mobile app. Once you are logged in, look for the profile menu, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this menu will reveal various options related to your account. Next, navigate to your account settings. This section allows you to manage personal preferences and display options. Look for a subsection related to site preferences or regional settings. Language options are usually found in this specific area, so accessing the preferences page is essential before making any changes. Inside the preferences menu, search for the language setting. This option controls the language used throughout the eBay interface. Click or tap on the language drop-down menu to view the available language choices. Depending on your region, you may see different languages listed. Choose the language that you prefer for a more comfortable browsing experience. After selecting your desired language, confirm your change by clicking the Save button. The page may refresh automatically to apply the new settings. Once updated, you will notice that menus and instructions appear in the language you selected. If the change does not appear immediately, consider refreshing the page or reopening the app to see the updated language. Ensuring that the correct language setting is applied enhances navigation and usability on eBay. This adjustment creates a more browsing experience tailored to your language preference. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.